I'm here today with the Amazfit GTR Mini. So unboxing this was quite cool. I think Amazfit does an amazing job at packaging these things. So you immediately see the watch face when you open the box, which is cool. And then it's packaged quite nicely. Then when you open the box, it has all these compartments for the different things. So in this case, the charging cable there and the little booklet. And I think that's about all you need. Okay, so the charging can only go on one way. Otherwise it won't stick. Let's see if it turns on right out of the box. Oh yeah, there it goes. English, download the app. Okay, so this is the Zap app, formerly Amazfit. They renamed the app to a different name it seems, but still kept the formerly Amazfit. Let's open that. Zap. Looks pretty sleek. A lot better than some of the other apps I've tried. Let's create an account. Okay, so sign up is successful. We use the metric system here in the Netherlands. Name, sex, male, date of birth. You can set your height and weight. My height is 181, that's centimeters. And my weight is 75. So one of my goals is to gain a little weight with exercise. So that's successful. Connect to Google Health Connect. Let's do that later. Zap notifications, allow, then devices to pair. You can do the Amazfit watch, the band, the ring, earbuds, and body composition scale. So they have a lot of products already here. Now it's connected to the device. Okay, allow to connect to the GTR Mini. Access to call history. Okay, so it's pairing right now, and I have to click OK. So it's binding. Bound successfully. Let's do the instructions. Swipe down to go. Oh, this is down. Let's see. Swipe left or right to go to different menu items. Press and hold to switch the watch face, which is usually the case. Tap the button to go to the application list. So here's the instructions again. System update, and it's downloading. It should take about 10 minutes. So let's get back to that in about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that has updated, let's look at that. Update complete. Let's put it on. It's quite small, but it is of course the GTR Mini. It really is mini. So I have quite small wrists, just a little bit left here. So for larger wrists, it could be a little bit difficult to put this on. But I like the way that this slides underneath. So with most you have like a little rubber band right here, but here it slides underneath. So that's pretty cool. And well, here's the watch face. So there it is. So let's look at the app for a second. Okay, so here I have my watch faces, and in the App Store there's also some apps. Stream Breakthrough, I can add that, and then sync, enabling. Now I have that different watch face on there, so that's pretty cool. There are a lot of watch faces here. This is also a nice one. So I think that's pretty cool about this app, that you already have a lot of these watch faces in there. So you can do a lot of things here. So this is like a little dragon here with a swordsman, it seems. When I hold that, I have my different watch faces right on there already. The ones I synced and the ones from before. So I can choose from any of those. So that's pretty cool. I really like it. And it has a little step indicator as well. So on top there with this one. So let's go into here. Steps, minutes and stand, heart rate, weather at cities, earned, some music, cities to the weather app. Okay. Cool. And then here is upcoming alarms, notifications. That's also pretty cool. Let's see what the app has in store for us. So here are the watch faces. It's 20% charged right now. Health monitor, notification reminders, device settings, app list management, shortcut cards, membership cards, weather. So you can add like your location to this. Right now I already have that just by going into it, so I should be able to have the weather right now. So now the weather comes up and it's 9 degrees Celsius here, so it's pretty cold. It's not freezing, that's 0 degrees Celsius, but it's winter here. So it is for winter quite a warm day. Humidity level, then the wind, so that's nice to know. And your watch face here. So it's overall, it's a very good watch here. I like the band. It's well, a little bit short for some people perhaps, but I still have quite a few of these spaces left with my short wrist, so for me it's fine. And I like the fact that it goes underneath here, and it's really cool that you have these watch faces pre-installed and it just does everything that you need it to do. So well, the forecast here as well, so that's pretty cool. I really recommend.